Welcome back to Happy Professional Training. Today, we are going to solve one of the trickiest types of questions, verbal analogies. You would have seen these in exams or interviews where you need to find the missing word that completes the pair. They can be confusing, but don't worry, I've got a simple method to make it easy. Here's how we are going to do it. First, let's figure out how the first two words are connected. Then, we will create a short sentence that links the first two words, then use the same sentence for the second pair. Then we'll cross out the options that do not fit. We will do 10 examples together to practice this method. Grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Alright, first one, ocean, water, desert. Let's find the relationship between the first pair of words. An ocean is full of water. Now let's make a simple sentence out of it. An ocean has water. Now let's use it with the second pair. A desert has. Now let's try and cancel out the wrong answer. Desert has ice. Is it correct? No, it doesn't fit. Forest? Definitely not in a desert. Mountain? No way. So sand is the right answer here. Just like an ocean is full of water, a desert is full of sand. Easy, right? Next one, eagle, sky, whale. Now let's find the first pair's relationship. An eagle flies in the sky. Now let's make a simple sentence. An eagle flies in the sky. Now try it with the second pair. A whale moves in the... Now cancel out the wrong answer. Does a whale move in the mountain? No. Forest? No. Desert? Definitely not for a whale. So, ocean is the right answer here. So, an eagle flies in the sky and a whale swims in the ocean. Here, what is the relationship between chef and kitchen? A chef works in a kitchen. Now, similarly, a doctor works in a dash. Does a doctor work in a school? No. Office? Close by, but it's not the best fit. A library? No. Hospital? Yes. Just like chefs work in kitchens, doctors work in hospitals. Here's another one. Reader, book. What's the relationship here? A reader uses a book. Now let's try it with the second pair. A driver uses a... Now cancel out the wrong answers. Driver uses a road? Not quite. Garage? No connection. Traffic? Doesn't really make sense. Car? Yes, it's the right answer here. Just like reader uses a book, a driver uses a car. It's about what they use. Alright, it's your turn. Let's see how you do. Clock, time, thermometer. Think about the relationship and drop your answers in the comments below. I will reveal the answer at the end of the video, so keep watching. Now, are you ready for a challenge? Let's go rapid fire. I'll read the analogy and give you a few seconds to think. Then I will reveal the answer. Here we go. Puppy is to dog as cough is to... Just like a puppy grows into a dog, a cough grows into a cow. Lion, pride, fish. A group of lions is called a pride and a group of fish is called as a school. Author, pen, painter. An author uses a pen and a painter uses a brush. Phone, call, camera. A phone is used to make calls and a camera is used to click pictures. Tree, wood, cow. A tree provides wood and a cow provides milk. Bird, nest, spider. A bird builds a nest and a spider builds a web. For the practice question, clock, time, thermometer, the answer is temperature. Just like a clock measures time, a thermometer measures temperature. And that's it for today. We went through 10 analogies using a super simple method. Find the relationship, make a simple sentence, and cancel out the wrong answer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.